Quick take. Bitcoin's recent slide has caught headlines. But Binance CEO Richard Teng says it's part of a broader market move, not a crypto-only meltdown. In this episode-style piece, we'll unpack his view, what it means for investors, and why volatility may be the price of progress for digital assets. Binance CEO on Bitcoin's recent volatility. Bitcoin fell about 35% in recent weeks, sparking fresh debate over its stability. Richard Teng, CEO of Binance, framed that drop as part of a wider risk-off, deleveraging across asset classes, stocks, bonds, and commodities included. His point: this isn't an isolated crypto crisis, but a reaction to broader market forces that often trigger sharp corrections. Teng's take is reassuring in tone. He argues this kind of pullback is a natural part of volatile markets and not necessarily a sign that Bitcoin's fundamentals have failed. That perspective has split the room. Some investors and analysts agree, seeing correlation with traditional markets as evidence Bitcoin is maturing. Others remain skeptical, worried that sustained volatility undermines Bitcoin's case as a dependable store of value. How Bitcoin relates to traditional markets. The link between Bitcoin and conventional markets has become harder to ignore. As institutional adoption grows, price movements sometimes track the same flows that move equities and commodities. For some, that correlation reduces the diversification benefits Bitcoin once promised. For others, it shows mainstream integration, a sign the asset class is evolving, not collapsing. What this means for the future of crypto despite the recent downturn. Many remain bullish on the long run. Blockchain technology continues to gain real-world use cases, and adoption by companies and everyday users should boost demand over time. Still, the market is young and volatile. Short-term swings are likely to continue as the sector matures and finds its place in global finance. Practical takeaways for investors if you're considering exposure to Bitcoin or other digital assets. Remember a few basics. Do your research, set clear risk limits, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Volatility creates both risk and opportunity. Traders can profit from swings, but long-term investors need a plan and discipline. Diversification and a calm, informed approach will serve you better than panic. Closing thoughts. Bitcoin's recent tumble is a reminder that crypto sits inside a bigger financial picture. Whether you view that as a challenge or a sign of maturation depends on your perspective and risk appetite. Teng's message is simple. Don't conflate normal market corrections with permanent failure. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and treat volatility as part of the journey. Follow and connect Twitter at @0_Simone_0 YouTube. Audiobook free. Author Ciro Ermisai Instagram at Spartaco_94_ Explore more tech trends. Tech Trend Spins. Blogspot. Com Fitness Home Journal. Fitness Home Journal. Blogspot. Com Pet Care Inspo. Pet Care Inspo. Blogspot. Com Nomad Vibes Board. Nomad Vibes Board. Blogspot. Com Crypto Radar Board. Crypto Radar Board. Blogspot. Com Green Planet Pins. Green Planet Pins. Blogspot. Com Healthy Eats Board. Healthy Eats Board. Blogspot. Com enjoyed this episode style brief. Share it, save it, and tune in next time for more quick takes on crypto and markets.